Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing PCB Simulator 2 once again, and yeah. So happy July 4th. I know I haven't posted in a while, but happy July 4th if you're in the United States, and you could just go outside, watch the fireworks and stuff. So I know I haven't posted in a while. It's mostly due to me not having much ideas and just not having much to post, but today we're gonna be building a July 4th PC. So basically, it's just like a regular PC, but red, blue, and white. So the colors. So I've already made like a PC case that I try to make it like the flag, but it didn't really come out too well. But I tried. So it's just today we're just gonna be making like a regular PC, but just putting the colors of America. So let's just get straight started, and I'm just thinking we just put some like random components in here. It doesn't have to be special. We're just gonna have a lot of RGB. Have a third of all of it be red, third of all of it be white and blue. So this part it doesn't really matter. We're just gonna install a CPU, GPU, RAM, memory, like all that good stuff. Um, alright, there you go. Let me just. I think we make a 4090. I say that's pretty good. Okay, that's not a 4 gig SSD, but it's fine. I'm just trying to make this PC so you can celebrate it. And where are my 4090s? So in the meantime, while I build this, Um, I would highly accept recommendations if you guys would give me some in the comments. Like I could build you guys like a custom PC with the parts that I could use in this game or whatnot. And yeah, I could try to do some of that since I have a lot of free time now since it's the summer off from school. But I just don't have much ideas and it kind of limits me a little. So we're gonna make a Razer AIO since I really like the colors. And now this is a Corsair Obsidian Series 750. So in my opinion, it's one of the nicer cases. I enjoy it a lot. But yeah, uh, Razer fans, could put 3 of them or 2, I guess. Alright, so now we have the full PC case. I'm gonna change the colors so that you could see it a little bit better. Um, and okay, hold on. Let me just install the OS, do some add some apps to this PC so we could change the color, and we would be good to go. Okay, lighting. So as you can see, we have all this components. I said we change the fans and the CPU cooler. We're gonna wait, select all. We're just gonna choose these. I'll select these and make them all red. So we're just gonna have a static and we're gonna make it red. I say this will be pretty good. Now we um now we select the GPU, and I'll select the we select 2 RAMs and the GPU. 2 RAMs and the GPU. We're gonna make this blue. That looks purplish. Alright, blue, and then um now we just select the uh, one motherboard and the other 2 RAMs, and we're just gonna make it white. And now we turn it back all on because apparently it didn't turn on. I've been shutting them off, and there we go. Um, okay, I think I did something wrong. I will redo this real quickly um, and I'll see what it looks like after, cause I think I made this all one singular color, and that's not very good, I guess. Make all this white. Select all. Make all this blue. Um, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna put a white, and we're just gonna have the case out. I wasted a little bit of time, somewhat, and there you go. And here we go. So this will be the case. So this is my PC build for the July 4th. I hope you have a nice night and enjoy some fireworks, and I'll see you guys next time.